Today I'm going to show you how to send email from a static website hosted in AWS S3. Amazon provides us the platform to host static website in S3 bucket, having a static website in very minimal cost. And almost all company has contact us page which is dynamic. So if we want to host a website which has contact us page, there isn't any straightforward way to achieve that. But we can combine S3 hosted site having contact us page to work with API gateway, Lambda, and simple email service to send the email to the site owner. The background is you have to create a contact us page and inline JavaScript. So the web form will collect the user data and the JavaScript will grab the data and push the data to API gateway. And the API gateway trigger the Lambda function, and again the Lambda function will take the data from the API gateway and send the email through simple email service. So let's do the lab. So let's create the Lambda function first. Then create the function. Go to the blueprint and select any hello world Lambda function created by JavaScript. Sorry, Node.js. Okay, let's select this Lambda function, sample Lambda function created by Node.js. Okay, give the name as you want. So I have to create some role in the IAM. Let's go to the IAM so that this Lambda function can be executed and send the email to through the SES. Okay, let's go to the roles. So create role. So it will be a Lambda service. Next. So Lambda. Okay, so I'll give the Lambda AWS Lambda execute role and SES role. SES full access I'll give currently. So yeah, give some name to the role. Yeah, sorry. Okay, so I'll create this name. I'll use this name. Okay, so let's go to the Lambda console again. Okay, choose existing role as I have already created. So send email using Lambda function. Okay, so let's create the function. Yeah. So now Lambda function is created. So let's go to the code and write the code as per our requirement. So I already have a working Lambda function created as in Node.js. Okay, and the runtime is actually, the working runtime for this script is 6.10. So yeah. So now you have to change few things in this Lambda function, like the sender and receiver. Okay, so I already have the email ID registered in the simple email service. So I already have added my email IDs over here. So what this function is doing, it is importing the AWS SDK tool. Then it is creating an object uh, to send them email from this SES. Then here is the response function. So after execution, what will be the response of that function? So that will come here. Okay, and this is the Lambda function syntax. So this event is the actually trigger, and which will actually work with these all the variables coming from the API gateway. I mean, which will be passed through this API. I mean, Lambda function. So here are the variable coming from the JavaScript and waveform. So these are the variables you have to set. Okay, then here it is actually triggering the email. So let's save the function. Okay, so the Lambda function is created. Uh, so I'm going to test the Lambda function whether it really works or not. So I'll create a test case over here. So for example, okay, keep it the name, keep it hello world. Send mail. So that function will take, I mean, take few argument as a JSON format. Those are like name. So I'll give my name here. There will be another argument. Okay, DESC. This is another argument. Okay, so give the name to this test case. So that's all. Create the test case. Okay, now you can execute this test case. Let's execute it. So if you see the function is succeeded, okay, and there is no output because in the function that will not that will not give any output. Okay, let's see in the email whether yeah, see we have received the email. So let's delete this email and integrate the API gateway. So the function is currently working. Okay, so let's go to the API gateway. Okay, get started. Okay, so I'll create a new API gateway. So give a name to the gateway, anything you can give. Okay, so now the gateway has been created. So now we have to create the resource. Okay, let's say this is, I mean, give some name to this API gateway resource. So for example, I've given email. Okay, and this resource should have some method to get or post. So in our situation, we'll create a post method to post the data to the API, I mean, yeah, Lambda function. So create method that will be a post. Okay. So now in the post method, what it will do, uh, in our scenario, we'll select the Lambda function which we have already created and in which zone it is present, so that we have to provide here. So I have created the Lambda function in the same zone, I mean region. So let's select the send mail function, save. Okay, so this is telling you are about to give API gateway permission to invoke your Lambda function. Yeah, obviously. So click create, I mean click on OK. So the API gateway has been created. So now what we have to do, uh, we have to upload our contact us page. Okay, and in the contact us page we have to point this API gateway's URL to post the data. So I already have the contact us form created. So let's go here. So here in this script, what I have to do, I only have to modify the URL. So from where I will get this URL? So let's go to the API gateway. So to get the URL, we have to deploy the API gateway method. So let's deploy it. Okay, another thing I forgot to inform, that is we have to enable the CORS feature to allow uh, the origin to send the email. So my origin is here. I already have the site that is http india.online. Okay, so enable CORS feature here. Okay, now we have to deploy the API gateway. So that will provide us the live URL from where we can trigger. Okay, so give the stage name as production. Okay, let's say prod. Okay, so it is now deployed and we'll get the invoke URL from the post method. So here is the URL. Let's go to the contact us form and paste the URL, invoke URL into the XML HTTP request. Okay, let's upload the contact us form into the S3 bucket. So I'm not going to show you how can you host the your website, static website into the S3 bucket. So I'm assuming you already know that. I already have a hosted website, static website in the S3. That is explore the India.online. Okay. Okay, let's open the site first. Okay, so here is the contact us page. So where I have linked the contact as anchor. So slash contact slash index dot html. Okay, let's create a folder contact. Okay, let's upload the index.html. I mean that is exact. I mean that is the contact us form I have created. Oh, I'm sorry. What was the name? Index.html. Okay, so here is my contact us page. So let's give the input. Okay, email ID is Saurabh at gmail.com, and how this is a test mail from in history. Okay, okay, let's submit. So now the form has been submitted, and that form, I mean that inside that form, the JavaScript has taken the data submitted in the form, and the JavaScript uh, submitted the user data as a post request to the API gateway, and then API gateway send that request to Lambda function, and then Lambda function triggers the send the email through simple email service. Let's go to email and see whether the email has come or not. So okay, so yeah, see, I have received the email. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you like the video, please like and share. Thanks.